Hey, how you going? Welcome back to wordy.tv. A little while ago I did a screencast and YouTube video of an example of my website, my WordPress blog site called rod.tv or www.rod.tv. And since then there's been a lot of changes, so I thought maybe it might be worth showing you. Here we have the old front page, my picture, always looking to jam, guitar stuff. And I won't play the video, but the video basically showed a few YouTube songs I had, a little bit of other rubbish, nothing special. But I thought I might show you the change that I've done since then. For the mere fact it's been reasonably dramatic, and that's the good thing about WordPress, without being a computer programmer or anything like that, or a HTML code writer. You can change things dramatically if that's what you want, if you feel that you need to or just want to change. So what we're going to do is now we're going to go to the new rod.tv, and as I said, it's completely different now. Let's have a look. So what we've done is we've changed the theme from what was basically just me, Rod Seabar, to Rod, as in hot rods, custom cars, babes, tattoos, and guitars. The things that interest me, and that's pretty important too, because if that's what interests you, you have a passion to write about it and to share the information about it. So what I did was I went and got another theme. So I think, all right, let's scroll down first and just show you this site. Rat rods, they're interesting. They're old cars that are made for cheap and low to the ground, have V8s, and the rustier and dirtier they look, the better. They're pretty cool. They're good fun, actually, and I've used them in my keywords. Scroll down a little bit. Hot tattoo babes. This is a YouTube video about chicks with tattoos that look good. Can't go too wrong there. I'm in Australia, and some of the cars, custom cars that I'm going to showcase in the future are Holdens, which I grew up with, and one of the most popular Holdens was a Monaro GTS Grand Touring Sedan. And this is an old 1968 commercial for the Holden, and it's pretty cool and brings back some fun memories. Then we've got Football Meat Pies and Kingswood, Brunswick lads. Well, one of the local bands that I actually go and watch called Australian Kingswood Factory. And I told the lads that I'd put one of their clips on my website, which I've done. And last but not least is Black Label Film Clip. Black Label Society is an an American band, I think, actually. And this is a really cool type of clip. Let's just click it for... we've got another one under that here, but we'll click this. I thought we only had that. But we'll just turn the volume down a little. Basically, what I really liked about this clip was the animation. So, and if you like something, like I said, and you have the passion for it, why not share it? It's just the type of music I enjoy, and I thought the film clip was really creative. Reminded me a little bit of the movie Sin City, so yeah, what the heck, let's put it on. We'll turn the volume down. If you want to have a look, come to my website and have a look, I guess. Black Label Society, Concrete City, I think is the name of the clip. But yeah, as you can see, lots of animation, good fun stuff, so that made it to the site. And I actually thought that was the last post on the front page, but we've got one more, and that is the Chrysler Valiant, which is Chrysler or Dodge, depending on where in the world you were from. When they came to Australia, they were quite shunned by the locals who had Holdens, which are American Chevs, or Australian Chevs, I should say. And then we had Ford, and a lot of the locals didn't like the Valiant Chryslers when they first came out. But then along came the Charger, and a lot of us changed our mind. So, and this is a bit of a history of the Chrysler Valiant, and also a couple of ads from the early 70s for the Hey Charger, which was the Charger Chrysler. Really cool car, actually, and quite collectible now. So that's my new front page, as you can see, absolutely, and we got the tattooed babe on the cover. Absolutely, completely different to what this was. I like it too because it's a little bit more open in its look. We've got a bit of stuff up the top, but once you scroll down, it really is very much nice and open with no rubbish on either side. And just the actual post stands out, so I reckon that's really cool. And what we'll do is we'll just come here to the dashboard. Not too much has changed on the back end of it, but let's go to themes. I tried about 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 themes, and this one I actually thought was pretty cool too, but made it look a bit more like an adult site, so this one was a good compromise. And this theme was quite cluttered. But let's do a live preview just to have a look. So yeah, we got the pretty girl, no problems there. But what we had was, I didn't like the way the sidebar here looked. And also, yeah, this stuff here, I don't think it looks anywhere near as good as what I currently have. So we didn't go with it, although it was close. I gave it a good think about it. Let's have another look at this one too. This was another one because rod, as in ROD, hot rods, things like that. I was thinking about a car theme for the site. And this wasn't bad. Again, I came pretty close to using it. But if we scroll down, yeah, I didn't like the menu, the sidebar being on the left-hand side. I didn't like the way this all looked. I didn't like the black background. Although some posts do stand out nicely on the black background. But to me, it just wasn't as nice. All this stuff here, the colours, what have you. You can play with all that, by the way. But I just decided not to go with it and stuck with the one that I had in the end, which is called Tattoo Woman WordPress is the name of that theme, which I got from, I think it was genericwpthemes.com. And if you do a search on Google for free WordPress themes, free WordPress generic themes, they generally come up on top. So yeah, so that was my choices of the theme changes. And also with the SEO, I did just a little bit more. I used to just have Rod Seber's songs and ebooks in the description of the site. Now we have at rod.tv, we got plenty of tattoos, babes, custom cars, guitar videos for you to check out and enjoy. We also got lots of rap rods and rockabilly songs plus sexy pin-up girls. So yeah, so the site has changed. Also keywords, custom cars, hot rods, babes, guitars, music, tattoos, sexy, rods, amps, inked, Aussie cars. So yeah, I did actually change that. Also, and the message of the site on the front as well. Yeah, here we have tattoos, babes, custom cars and guitars. And I've reinforced it in the very first post that I did. I've written that there. And if we go down, come on, scroll down a little bit. Here we go. Come on. I hate it when you get the little delay. Here we go. Let's find the tags. Tags, Carlton Live Music, Carlton Music Jam, Hot Rod, Jamming Partners, Live Guitar Jam, Rock On, Rod Seber, Weekend Jam. I possibly could be adding a little bit more to that because this is my introduction site. To the point, or should I do it now? Maybe not. Lady Ink, all right. Hot Tattoo Babes, we've put in another subtitle. We've put some bolding on some of the letters that are the words that I want to stand out. There's possibly even a little bit of italic font in here, although I can't see it. I mustn't have bothered. Let's scroll down just a little bit more, and here's the tags. Babes, rod.tv, tattoo babes, tattoo girls, tattoo ladies, tattoos, and we're trying to get a little bit of search engine recognition for those tags. But if we actually, let's do this. If we actually go into it a little bit further, you'll see that I've got the all-in-one SEO packed plugin. Plug in here, you can add new. And what I've done is to reinforce it even further. We've got babes here. This post is in two categories, babes and tattoos. And we've got the tags, as I just showed you, but a little bit further down. Here we go. See, we have a description that all-in-one SEO pack allows me to add. We have a title, and we also, here's your description there. That is there. That is here. That's what you would see on a search engine. This is what I've written here. And just a tad further down, yeah, and the keywords. So the keywords are different than the tags, and they reinforce it just a little bit. But so that's cool. What we'll do is we'll go back here because I just spotted something that I could do to enhance the site a little bit more. Scroll down, the first sticky post, which means it's always the first post. Come on, just a bit more. Don't you hate the slow scroll? Okay, actually, and after all that, I wanted to go back up. Here we go, edit. So I'm trying to be recognised on the search engines for a couple of generic terms, keyword terms. So I'm going to add custom cars. I'm going to add tattoos. I'm going to add babes. I'm going to add guitars. What else have we got? Did I write custom cars? Oh yeah, I'm going to add hot rods. And I'm going to add rat rods. And this will help reinforce that post and the overall look of the actual site. So we're adding that. Then we're going to update. And we've helped even more to change the direction of this blog site, rod.tv. Basically, I was looking on YouTube, saw a couple of hot rod videos. My name's Rod. I guess it makes sense. So, yeah, this is now another example of a WordPress blog site, which we can compare to the old one, but we're heading in a forwards direction, and the old one is now history. I much prefer the layout. I like the chick. I like this little part here. As I've mentioned, once we scroll down a little bit, I do like the open style of this site. This stuff here, none of that leery font colours that were in the other theme examples I showed you. This is very straightforward. It's black and white, very simple, easy to read. It gets my message across, and I think it's pretty cool. And I'll just show you one more thing. Develop, page source. We're on an Apple computer and using Safari. That's why we have this option here. But if we go down here, we can see here the meta name description, which is the all-in-one SEO pack. We can see here that I've got custom keywords. Custom cars, hot rods, babes, guitar, music, tattoos, sexy, rods, amps, inked, Aussie cars, rat rods. And also the description that I also had shown you that I've written, which is, here we go, at rod.tv we got plenty of tattoos, babes, custom cars and guitar videos for you to check out and enjoy. We also got lots of rat rods and rockabilly songs, plus pin-up girls. But this little bit here, how it has stopped, is actually where I'm at the limit of what Google would read. So I could possibly shorten that down just marginally. Actually, let's do it now. Okay, SEO, edit SEO. Because there's a limit of about 160 characters that the search engines will read, and anything after that, you're not guaranteed to be seen. So it could be seen as wasted. So we're just going to go here. Where were we? Description. That's describing the post. We don't want that. We want to actually go to here. Wait a sec. Bear with me. Plugins. Installed plugins. Yeah, that was just the description for that particular post. we're going to go here to all-in-one SEO pack, open configurations, and then we're going to make the site description just marginally shorter. Here we go here. Homepage settings, there you go. And this is what Google's reading, by the way. We also got lots of what we're going to get rid of. We got, let's see how we go here. We got wrap rods. Let's just put in a comma instead of the and we're going to update that. So now we have at rod.tv, we got plenty of tattoos, babes, custom cars and custom videos for you to check out and enjoy. We got rap rods, rockabilly songs plus sexy pin-up girls. Now I'm going to save this. As I said, you only get 160 characters. I was just marginally too long. So I've made my changes. Now let's go here, to develop. Let's have a look at page source. And we'll read the meta description and see if we got all of that in. It's worth doing, just spending a little bit of time to do that. We're looking for, where are we? Meta description, where are you? Come on. I wonder why it's doing that. Maybe it's because I'm on this particular page. What we'll do is we'll go back to the front page. Back to the front page, which is what Google would read, by the way. Come on. Come on. I hope my internet hasn't dropped out because that's going to be really annoying. Alright, what's going on here? Let's try again. Show page source. Don't you hate slow internet? That's what we've had lately. It's driving me nuts because I do watch a few videos and yeah. Okay, now we're back on the front page and again we can see our description. And plus lots of sexy pin-up. See, we still came up just short of our 160 characters. Okay, not the end of the world. What we're going to do is, alright, we'll hit edit SEO. We're on the front page, so that should take us back to where we want to be. And it didn't. It took us to the first post. And we're not going to get what we want there. This is alright. This is all just fine-tuning stuff. Once again, as I said, we are on the post. It went to the sticky post instead of the actual front page. Install plugins. It's my fault. I should have just closed off and gone straight to the plugins. Open configuration panel. Scroll down a little bit. Just goes to show that fine tuning will get you places. Okay, now what I can do here is, I'll read it out just one more time. At rod.tv, we got plenty of tattoos, babes, custom cars, and guitar videos for you to check out and enjoy. Well, let's just get rid of check out to enjoy. And we got rat rods, rockabilly songs, plus sexy pin-up girls, which is what I was trying to get in originally. So overall, these last 2 minutes, we've just been shortening the description for the website. And because they are my keywords, I very much want Google to pick up on them. So now we're going to go back to the front page because that's what we've got to do. We'll go to develop. At least the internet's running faster again. Open page source. Come on, spin around, do your thing, and then show us the HTML, which is hypertext markup language, in case you're wondering. Okay, now, finally, we're back, and I think we've achieved this time. Meta description. At rod.tv, we got plenty of tattoos, babes, custom cars, and guitar videos for you to enjoy. We got rap rods, rockabilly songs, plus sexy pin-up girls. And there you go. So initially 5 minutes ago I spotted a mistake, took a couple of little goes, but we have actually fixed what we wanted to fix and now the search engines will read the site better. Alright, I think that's about enough. As you can see, a major change compared to where we were. This is where we were before. It was alright. It suited me for just my own vanity, to be honest. It was my songs on YouTube and just my ebooks. But this time what we've done is we've expanded the site. We've expanded the keywords to these: Tattoo Babes, Custom Cars, Guitars, and other stuff as well. Yeah, give us a look. We'll just do one more little look. Here we have graffiti. I've been doing a little bit of graffiti lately, and I haven't been doing it. I've been photographing it, I should say. And yeah, so I've just added it to the site as another element, just to hopefully get the site ranking a little bit more. It's good fun. I don't really graffiti. I never have. I hate all that tagging stuff. I love the artwork, but as for people just tagging their name over good artwork, oh yeah, there's a selfie with the camcorder. Are they cool yet? Never will be, I'm guessing. But yeah, here we go. Just a few of the local bits of graffiti. This is not my favourite page. I've got 4 pages so far, and I'm nearly ready to do another one, because when I go for a walk I spot lots of graffiti. It seems people are doing it, and some of it is really good, so I type it don't mind taking a photo and including it. So yeah, as you can see, yeah, there's plenty of different stuff. Let's just scroll up. While we're here, we might as well just take 2 more seconds and let's have a look at this one. Or did we just click on the same page? Hopefully not. Oh no. Here we go. I actually went to a place called Hosier Lane in the city of Melbourne, Australia, and it's famous for graffiti, and there was an actual bikini girl getting photographed in amongst all the graffiti. So I took her photo, of course. And these aren't actual graffiti photos, but just around my area, and why not? But here we go. Now we've got some more photos of the Brunswick and Carlton suburbs of Melbourne. And I can really reinforce these and help my site a little bit. If I click on this, edit. Alright, fair enough. I'll show you. I was hoping that would allow me to edit it from that point. Here we go. This picture here. Yeah, let's edit it. So there's no caption, there's no name for it. So how about if I write Carlton graffiti, and here write Carlton house. It's the side of a house actually. Carlton house graffiti, and update. Scroll down a little bit. Now, as you can see, it has an element of text, and also the image is Carlton graffiti. And when the search engines read this, they'll pick up on that, and actually it will help the website. To the point, why don't I put a little bit of text in here? Carlton graffiti. I'll make it bold. And I think I'll even give it a heading 1. So I've made it bigger, and the search engines will see that as well. If I scroll down a little bit further, this one here, click here, is Fitzroy, which is another nearby suburb. Fitzroy graffiti, and once again we'll make it bold. We'll make it bold. We'll make it italic as well. We'll go here. We'll give it heading 2, and we'll save that. A little bit further down, something's happened with this photo. I'll have to investigate that. I'm not quite sure what's happened there. Little bit further down, some of this is in Brunswick, I think. So I would ideally put in Brunswick graffiti as well. But that could be on another page, and we're not going to bother. So we're going to actually update it though, and we've added some heading 1 and heading 2 stuff. It adds weight to the actual website itself. I'll click on this. We'll do it one more time. Edit. It's not graffiti, but let's write RMIT building. Royal Melbourne Institute of Technology, I think, is what RMIT stands for. RMIT building. Yeah, it's a funny building. Let's write cones. Probably circles might be better. Circles. Circle fascia might be even better. And we'll give it we'll back it up with RMIT building for the name of the photo. And we'll update that. And if we scroll down, there we go. RMIT circle fascia, because that's the fascia of the building and they're circles. We'll update the whole site or the page, and we're done. So look, there's a few examples. So we'll just go back to the front page. As you can see, we have graffiti. I got rid of all the ebooks and actually made sub-pages here. So we had an ebook store page for which I'm an affiliate of, and I live in hope that one day I'll actually sell one of these bloody ebooks. But yeah, here's all your different categories. Let's click on horror stories. Reference up here, Space Roddy. That is my affiliate number. And yeah, and if someone bought one of these books, I live in hope that I would actually make a bit of income. We'll go back here and just show you that instead of having, like on the old site, I had all my ebooks going across here in different pages. Now I've made them into sub-pages of the ebook store. Let's press B just to show you. So I've type of conserved a little bit going across here. I can add more categories and do sub-pages, and that's what I've done here. And yeah, this is one called Free Beer Stories. But I've used the wrong picture. I actually, let's click it, I'll show you. In my files, here we go, so I have funny beer stories, so I possibly really should change that photo as well, but we clicked on it, we got there, and here's some of my other books. But this has taken us away from the purpose of showing you an example WordPress site. So I think we're all done. Last glimpse at the front page. Oops. Last glimpse at the front page. And later on, if I join a few more affiliate sites, I can add more advertising to the sidebar. I can add more advertising to the sidebar here. I've got 1, 2, 3 Google AdSense ads, and that's all you're allowed to have on any page. But I could join other affiliate programs and put stuff in the sidebar here. And but for the moment, I do like the nice open look and non-cluttered look of the website. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little look at this. I will be adding this example to wordy.tv. And I just hope you also maybe got a few tidbits of information on it. I probably rambled on a bit, and I do thank you for looking. Have a great day.